Boost your IT vocabulary. Unraveling Software Development Methodologies. Hello language learners and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of information technology, focusing on software development methodologies. This topic is a part of our series on computer software vocabulary. We will unravel key terms, their meanings, and how you can use them in professional settings. So, let's get started. Software development methodologies are essentially a set of practices for planning, creating, testing, and deploying software. The approach one takes to develop software is incredibly important and can greatly influence the end product. Here, we are going to explore some common methodologies. 1. Waterfall model. This is a sequential approach where progress flows downward, like a waterfall, through several phases: requirements, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. 2. Agile methodology. This method breaks projects into smaller, manageable units, allowing for more flexibility and rapid delivery. 3. Scrum. This is a type of agile methodology where the development process is divided into sprints, or short development cycles. 4. DevOps. This methodology bridges the gap between development, dev, and operations, ops, with an emphasis on continuous integration and delivery. 5. Kanban. Originating from Toyota's lean manufacturing system, this method emphasizes visualizing work processes to manage work and reduce waste. Now, let's look at how to use these terms in sentences. 1. Our team follows the waterfall model. We make sure one phase is completed before moving to the next. 2. We utilize agile methodology to allow for flexibility and adaptability in our software development process. 3. In our Scrum meetings, we prioritize tasks for our upcoming sprint. 4. The DevOps approach has significantly improved the collaboration between our development and operations teams. 5. Using a Kanban board helps us visualize our workflow and balance our work-in-progress tasks. And there you have it. We've demystified some key vocabulary related to software development methodologies. Remember, the more you use these words, the more familiar and comfortable you will become with them. So, don't shy away from practicing. We hope this video will be a valuable addition to your English language learning journey, especially if you're interested in the IT sector. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!